Okay, so starting off, we have the office, which is pretty much facing the front of the house. And then here is the office. I don't think I shared with you guys the ceiling or even anything because everything was pulled out of this room. And now the coffered ceilings are in, and they did a good job. It looks so good. You ain't gotta whisper, girl. You can scream. You ain't got to whisper about your house, girl. She's like, I love it. All right, you guys, here's the mudroom. It was all white, and I was like, we should do a different color so that way it kind of stands out and it becomes like a really nice feature in this area. It looks gray on camera, but it's actually a really, really dark smoke gray. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of something up here. So here we have the dining, which is here, and then the kitchen. So one of the things that we talked about and we decided on and made final decision on is this wall right here is going to come out. This little pocket right here, and the pantry is going to run through this whole wall just because there's only about 6 shelving in here. So there's a lot of that space up and down. So it's just best to kind of blow this out. And then the pot filler, there's going to be something going right up in here that I showed you guys before. And then of course the dining area. All right, you guys, here is the kitchen. If you guys remember, there was that big doorway here that had the pantry. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do this because it'll be an easier setup. And Willow's still behind me cleaning. You guys, look at the wall. It's so pretty. I think if you guys remember, I selected this and I showed it to you guys. So she's gonna have a pot filler. The tiling work looks good. The countertop looks amazing. Did you have a range hood or was it a microwave?
It's a range hood right here.
No, but before, because I never seen it before. Okay, so we went from a microwave to a range hood. Okay. Because what I saw was a full gut out. I didn't get to see what was there before. I just planned the space. Oh, you got before? Okay, she's got before pictures. Y'all, let me open this cabinet real quick because I want y'all to see this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I got you your 2 things, too. You guys. So here is the new pantry, which I think is going to be really good. She cooks just like me, so I felt like pulling out and having all of her things in here, and these are massive and heavy, would offer so much more storage. That other one took up so much room and really didn't have that much storage when the shelving is only like 12 inches deep. This is way deeper, it's bigger, and it looks aesthetically pleasing in the kitchen. Everything looks really good. Double oven is gonna go here, fridge here, the sink, you guys. It looks so good. Willow, you love it? You love it, you love it, you love it? Oh my gosh. You got to retouch. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you for trusting me.
Absolutely.
It's crazy to see it come to life when it was just on paper.
It's been a while. People probably think it wasn't happening.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, it just looks so good. Let me turn here. Look at that. The living room, I think I showed you guys the honed marble to go here in the middle to create the fireplace wall in here. It's gonna look really good. You guys, I don't know if you remember, there used to be a wall right here that cut off the living room, and it really didn't serve any purpose because the way that the opening was here, it didn't leave a lot of room to do anything. The dining is going to be amazing. The living is going to be amazing, and look at the new fireplace. Oh my goodness. Willow.
Yes.
This looks amazing.
I love it.
Look how open and big it is. The flooring looks beautiful. The client opted for hardwood flooring. And it just looks so good. Do you guys see the trim and what I was talking about? And I think that's why for some of you guys who probably are new to my channel may probably like, oh my God, she's picky. But when I'm talking to my clients, I'm telling my clients, and I'm having large beige trim installed, and then I see these little baby trim at my house, I'm like, what? And then here's the bathroom, which I love. I am going to remove the mirror, take the lighting down, and then this wall right here is going to be cut out and have a full glass all around. And then right now we're talking about doing a freestanding tub, so we're going to have to start looking for that. But I'm really excited. Da-na-na, da-na-na. You guys, I don't know if you guys remember when I was sitting in my office and I showed you guys all the tile that I had selected. It looks so good. They're still working in the house, but it looks so freaking good. And then I don't think the tub had anything, but I wanted it to go all the way up to the window. That way there wasn't gonna be wet spots or anything, but it looks so good. Oh my goodness. And instead of doing tile, you see that? You guys, it looks so good. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. I do apologize. I am currently working on a pretty big project that I have to complete, so I couldn't come on camera the way that I wanted to, but I wanted to say thank you. But then I also wanted to send a huge, massive thank you to Willow. She hired me and I had zero portfolio, no website, no pictures. I mean, I really didn't have anything to show and prove to her the outcome of what her home was going to look like. And she hired me and I am super grateful. So thank you, Willow. I know you're watching. This project isn't complete. So in terms of like the flooring in the kitchen, as of today, all that stuff is done. We are going into the second phase of this project, which is looking for furniture, which I am so excited about. I think you guys are really going to love the final end result. But I'm really happy with this project. Like most of my projects, I can definitely envision myself in this space, and that's pretty much the end outcome. And it is exactly what the client wanted and expected. I do have a few content that's going to be coming up just explaining how you can create and achieve a client's goal. But for now, you guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. And if there's any tip that I can share with you, it is to trust yourself. The second one would be to go ahead and start exactly where you're at. Don't worry about this one, that one, what you don't have, what you do have. Just go ahead and hit the ground running. And the third one is block out all of the noise. All right, it's 2020. What are you waiting for? You guys have a good one. Bye.